The case is an unkempt 40-year-old woman presents to emergency with a worsening cough and foul-smelling blood-stained sputum. She is feverish and breathless. She has a background of type 2 diabetes and was recently diagnosed with pneumonia. She says she did not take her antibiotics as they did not agree with her, and she failed to attempt her GP follow-up appointments. Below is her chest X-ray. Here is a picture of her chest X-ray, and coming towards his interpretation. The central trachea, but it is somewhat shifted towards the right due to the patient's rotation, as the level of the medial end of the clavicles are not equal both sides, and left lung is clear with normal hilar lung markings, and on the right side there is a thick walled cavity. If we look closely, then we can see a cavity, black colored cavity is present, which is walled by the whitish area. So there is a thick walled cavity, and right lower zone airspace opacification is present, but costophrenic angle is sharp. Here we can see, if you see closely, then you can appreciate a sharp costophrenic angle, although the lower lobe is somewhat hazy in appearance, but costophrenic angle is sharp. Coming towards his presentation, this is an PA chest X-ray of an adult. The patient is rotated to the right, and due to this there is the mediastinal shift towards the right. It is otherwise technically adequate X-ray with suitable penetration and good inspiratory achievement. There are no important areas cut off at the edges of the film. The most striking abnormality is a thick walled cavity within the right mid zone. This contains an air fluid level. There is a surrounding airspace opacification in the right lower zone in keeping with the consolidation. Both the right hemidiaphragm and the heart borders are clearly defined. Therefore, it is not possible to localize the consolidation into a particular lobe. There is no right-sided pleural effusion. Costophrenic angle is sharp, and the left lung and the pleural space are clear. Allowing for the patient's rotation, the heart and mediastinal contours are unremarkable. There is no free air in the subdiaphragmatic region, and there is no gas in the subdiaphragmatic area, and there is no abnormality of the bones or the soft tissues is present. In summary, the X-ray shows a cavity in the right lung with the air fluid level and a surrounding consolidation. Given the clinical history, the findings are in keeping with the lung abscess and pneumonia. There is no evidence of associated empyema.